Wow, just look at this American style bridal bun. This is so elegant, so beautiful. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Prabjeet and I specialize in creating stunning hairstyles and do makeup for every occasion. So today we are diving into an American bridal classic hair bun. Whether you are at the bride side or a bridesmaid side or simply helping someone prepare for their big day, this tutorial will definitely guide you step by step to achieve the perfect bun look. So let's grab the hair tools, some pins, and let's create the magic. So grab your hair tools, some pins, and let's create a magic together. Before we start, we also need this stuff: a brush, a tooth comb, a bobby pins, and a hair tonic, and of course a good quality hold spray and shine spray. I'll show you how to add accessories to make the bob bun. So let's get started. braidal hair bun. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it really helpful. If you try this look, I'd love to see your recreations. Tag me on social media and drop a comment below. Don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon so that you never miss out on any more hairstyling such tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay beautiful and keep shining. Ta-da!